Hi, I'm John Van Sommeren. Contacts is one of the four mainstays of the in-house software, the others being clients, properties and tenancies. This training tells you how to add a contact and how to use the contact search features to find the contact you need. The first question is, who is a contact? And the answer is anybody you need in a corporate address book. Head landlords, the people who supply property to investing solutions, their agents. Some landlords use agents to manage their property. Rent receivers. Some landlords take the rent themselves, some have it sent to their agents. Maintenance contractors like glaziers, handymen, furniture suppliers, and basically anybody else we do business with. This is the first of two main places in the in-house software where contacts are used. This is taken from the Manage Properties form. Every property is linked to several contacts, each of whom performs a different role. Sometimes the one contact, in this example Pema Hoti, is both the landlord and the rent receiver. The second important place where contacts are used is in the maintenance system. Probably all these contacts will be contractors. Contractors repair property damage, they clean it, supply the furniture and help with removals too. The Managed Jobs forms in the maintenance system shows here the contact for maintenance work when it is the landlord's responsibility. This data is from the Managed Properties form. If ISL is controlling the work, then a contractor has to be selected using this part of the Managed Jobs form. I now want to show you how easy it is to make a new contact. I've clicked on the Make New Contact button and added the easy bits. Let me explain the rest. And here are the prompts that need a little bit of explanation. There are two roles for contacts, property and contractors, and the choice is usually easy. However, if you look at Manage Properties, you will see that every property can, and probably should, have a nominated maintenance contact. Often this is the landlord or his agent. Those contacts should be marked as both property and contractor. Some contacts have no roles, like access, self-storage, and the NGOs we deal with. In those cases, leave both the boxes unchecked. Pete Smith is a contractor. Checking this exposes the group Preferred Operational Areas box at the bottom. We'll come to that in due course. Trade. We want to put in removals. It's not in the list, so just type it in. And when you click on Enter, you'll get this message. Do you want to add removals as a new trade in the list? I say yes. And from now on, I've got removals in the list. It's as simple as that. Rating. Every contractor should be rated. And the full details of how to rate a contractor are on this pop-up window. In essence, there are 6 criteria by which you judge him, and they're marked yes or no by you, and then you give a AA grade if he gets all 6, and you give a D if he only fits one of the criteria, and you give him a Z if he's turned out to be so unreliable that you never want to use him again. If I look at everything we know about the person, I reckon he's going to get a B, but I'll mark it preliminary. And then after we've got some experience, we can make a change. For contractors, we get the contractor's preferred operational screen down here. South London, if I let my mouse hover on that, you can see it Lambeth, Brixton, Streatham and Mitcham, and Inner East would be Hackney and Stepney. This particular contractor said he'll work anywhere north of the river, so I'll just click on Set All North. And that's all you have to do to set up a new contact. So I'll click on the Save and Close button. This is a demonstration of how to select the contact, in this case a contractor. Within the maintenance system on the Manage Jobs form, there's a job needing to be done at flat 4 in 34 West Avenue where they've got a roof tank needs repair, and as one of the functions we have to select the contractor, which is done from this button down here. I can just move that window into full view. The window opens with contractors as already being the people we want to look at. If I were to select properties, I'd get a whole lot of people who are property and contractors, and if I were to select neither, I'd just get a couple of guys who are neither. In this case, we already come loaded for contractors. I need a plumber. We've got a list of contractors and all their trades here. I'm going to select the plumber, and we've got two choices, Albert Jones and Raj. I'm going to make my choice as Albert Jones. That choice now comes here, and that's all we have to do to select the contractor.